you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on notifications. I'll post daily videos of new inventory coming in, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. We get about 50 to 70 vehicles every week consistently. Right now we're doing our initial assessment of a Mercedes-Benz S560 4Matic. This is a freshwater flood damage vehicle. Right now this is our initial assessment. As you can see, no rust or corrosion. It's a little dusty. Looks like it's been sitting at the auction yard for a little bit, but no rust, no corrosion. We're still in the process of checking the fluids and the filters to make sure there's no water in the engine before we start it. These Mercedes have a tendency, if they drive through the floods, these intakes run very low in the vehicle and they'll suck water up and hydrolock the motor, so we do not know if this vehicle was running at the time of the flood, but we're gonna investigate and make sure the motor is free before we try and start it. Do a quick walk around. Body's very clean. Got a nice panoramic sunroof. The suspension is sitting low because the battery is dead. We'll probably have to replace the battery once we check all the electrical contacts and make sure we're not going to cause any further damage if there's water in the interior. I'm going to check shortly. Body's really nice. Super nice. This will be sold with a salvage title. Let's go to the other side. So usually I like to check these pockets here. I don't see any water. Couldn't have been that deep. You can see some dust settled here. I'm gonna say maybe the water went over the rocker. You can also see some dust on the seat tracks. And there's a slight odor in here, so that definitely water got inside the vehicle. The seats feel dry. Carpet feels dry, but at some point there was still water in here. Some point there was water, so we'll have to pull the interior on it, clean the contacts, make sure everything's getting a good connection before we attempt to start it. But definitely was not deep. You can see from here there's a clear water line. See, the seat tracks are clean here, not rusted or corroded. So I think only well, I would say the carpets were damp. I don't think this was deep at all. But these Mercedes have a lot of computer modules underneath the seats, so we're probably gonna have to clean them up, make sure they got good contact, see if we can get the vehicle started. We'll post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.